Give respect.
It teaches all of us to be courageous because it takes a lot of courage to go on the stage and perform to all the little kids and all the other kids.
We've been doing the Respect Mindset Assemblies for 2 years. Last year we had staff and myself sort of organize them and present them. Thinking about the whole student body, you get more buy-in, and I think there's more engagement when you have students involved.
This puppy shows flexibility.
We put it out there for the 5th graders and opened it up, and so they have been able to take ownership and facilitate with me, and then we've transitioned it to those kids really running the show.
It's like a lot of work, and when we're in her classroom we practice a lot, then when it happens we just go all over it, and then it usually goes smoothly.
I will try my best to stay positive and calm.
We decided what goes on the slides. We also decided all the words at the beginning of the year. So we have those ready and make the slides as we go along.
For creativity, they had everybody write their name on a piece of paper, and then we put it together as a chain to talk about how we all together can be very creative versus just us independently.
Flexible is if your teacher tells you to go sit in a different place because you're fooling around with your friend or something. Just go sit in that place and don't argue.
The modeling is really important for them to see their peers doing it, let alone just be told to do it by their parents or somebody else in their family perhaps, or even their teachers.
There's a lot less bullying or fighting now since they've gone throughout all the things that you can be respectful. There's a lot less of that.
I want them to be able to exemplify that character trait without being reminded and just doing it because it's the right thing to do.
I think it's really important because it can show kids to have respect when they go to middle school.
Join this club. It will be amazing and you will love it.